Clean water is not a luxury, it is an Yet, for many communities, access to safe drinking water remains a daily challenge. Today, Nurpulse takes you behind the scenes of how a complete water filtration system comes to life from the ground up. Every project begins with preparation. The site is carefully cleared, cleaned, and leveled, creating a strong foundation for what is to come. The team works with precision and consistency, maintaining strict quality and hygiene standards, because in a project like this, every detail matters. With the ground ready, construction finally begins. Brick by brick, layer by layer, the structure starts to take shape. Cement is mixed, walls are raised, and the base is reinforced to support both of the systems and the people who will rely on it. This isn't just construction, it is the beginning of something built to serve for years to come. If you believe in projects that create real impact, once the structure is complete, the next phase begins, sourcing the filtration components. Follow Noor Pearls to see more work like this. Every part is carefully selected, from filtration tanks to piping systems, each playing a vital role in ensuring water is purified to the highest standards. Quality and reliability are non-negotiables. Installation then begins. On the first day, the primary framework is assembled, tanks are positioned, pipelines aligned, and connections mapped out. By the second day, the system starts to come together. With installation complete, it is time for testing. The system is activated and the water flows through every stage of filtration. Each output is carefully checked, every standard verified, because clean water isn't just expected, it's essential. And finally comes the moment that makes all of it worthwhile. Pure clean water flows as it should. A simple result with powerful impact.